If you are looking forward to use a little investment for good reward, then you are the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you how to interact with one of the good projects that could airdrop to their users in the future. And I'm talking about Bungee Airdrop. And of course, this is not a financial advice, and you should do your own due diligence before doing this airdrop. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to interact with the airdrop between one or more blockchains. And of course, you need two things to start this airdrop. The first thing you need is your metamask wallet extension on your Chrome if you are using a PC, or the metamask wallet extension on Kiwi browser if you are using a mobile phone. And second, you need at least $30 worth of Ethereum on any layer 2 scaling solution, be it optimism, arbitrum, Ethereum, etc. And of course, a way you can actually learn more and reward me for doing this is by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. So let us begin. Okay guys, so this is how to do the Bungee Airdrop, right? This is how to do the Bungee Airdrop, and make sure you follow me for more videos like this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. So this is how to do the Bungee Airdrop, right? And what you want to do is you want to make sure that I'll provide the link in the description below. So it is bungee.exchange. So when you get there, to ask you to agree to their terms, and so when you agree, what you want to do is you want to connect. Now for Bungee, you can use any network for this, just like jumper.5. If you have not watched the video, make sure you watch the video, right? You can use any what's it called? You can use any blockchain for this. And what we want to, in our own case, we'll be using Polygon, right? So you click on connect wallet, click on the wallet, which I recommend is metamask. And in this case, if your Ethereum is on Polygon, is on optimism, feel free to use optimism. But in our own case, our own money is on Polygon, right? So we want to change the network. So now this is a list of all the network. You can use ZK Sync Era, you can use Phantom, you can use Zora, you can use Base, you can use Polygon ZK EVM, right? You can use all of this. So when you do that, what you just want to do is you want to change this to Polygon in our own case. And when I change this to Polygon, switch network, right? Now that the network has been switched, now you can now select from the token you have to the token you want to bridge to. In this case, I have from Polygon. You can see here I have 9.427 USDT. So I want to bridge it to Polygon USDT. So I'll just input the amount of Polygon I want to bridge, 9.472. Then I'll bridge it to USDC, right? So we click on review routes. So when you click on review routes, to ask you to, and for this, you want to make sure that you have Matic in your wallet, which you use as gas fees. You want to make sure you have Matic in your wallet, which you use as gas fees, right? I'll be giving the first 5 people to like, subscribe, and comment their wallet address on this channel, a little Matic Polygon, to actually do this interaction. So if you have Matic in your wallet, you're able to, I'll use this for approving transactions. So for this one, I'll click on approve USDT. So you can also get the Matic token on Binance. You can get it on any centralized exchange there. Matic token is a very popular token, right? So you click on approve USDT. Okay, so we pop up, you come out on your MetaMask, and you can then approve it, right? You can then approve it from here. So here we can see the transaction is currently approving, right? The transaction is currently approving, then it's building. Then I can now do the swap. Okay, let's try and see. The error was reverted. Let's try it again. So in case it's brought out error reverted, right, you can just click on this refresh. So when you click on this refresh, you can easily do your swap. So let's go back and try again. So we want to bridge from this to this and review routes, and then we want to approve this transaction. So you can now see now you'll be able to swap. So when you click on swap, so you'll be needing a very small amount of Matic for the confirmation of this. So let me have your wallet addresses in the comment box. So you can see I'm only needing $0.02 gas fee, which is low, and that's why I'm recommending Polygon. If you are farming Bungee, right, Polygon will give you a very low amount of gas fees. So once you do that, Once you've approved the USDT, now let's continue. Let's wait for the now you can see now the swap is now completed. That means I now have this in my own wallet. So now, once you've done that, feel free to do 3 transactions per time. You can pick a frequency of 3 days per week or 2 days per week and do 3 transactions per time. So let's do another transaction from that same Polygon, but this time it will be USDC. You know, we just swap to USDC. Then you can now swap to any blockchain you want to. So in this case, you can use Polygon EVM, which will serve as you using Polygon EVM and also Polygon. So that means you are preparing yourself for the tax of Bungee and also the tax of you are preparing yourself for the reward of Bungee Airdrop and for ZK EVM airdrop, because I believe ZK EVM will definitely do an airdrop in the future, right? So let's proceed about this. Let's proceed. So Polygon ZK EVM. So for this, you just input 9.45. Let me input 9.45, right? So no route. So if in case there'll be case whereby you try to bridge and it will bring you no route. So what you want to do is you want to pick maybe another network where you can actually do your bridging, you know. So let me swap to from this same Polygon. Let me use this same Polygon and swap to Matic, right? Matic. So I want to swap 9.458. 9.458 USDC somatic. So you click on review route. So when you click on review route, to ask you checking for your approval, then you approve USDC. So when you approve USDC, a pop-up will come up in your wallet, and here we go. You confirm your transactions and then you bridge. Confirm transactions and then you bridge. I hope you can see this one, right? You confirm transactions and then you bridge. Now that and then you swap, rather. So on Bungee, you can bridge, you can swap. If you are interacting with the same blockchain, that means you are swapping. But if you're interacting with different blockchain, that means you are bridging, right? So this is we doing some bridge, some swap interactions. So you confirm this transaction and then you are good to go. So now that you've done this, what other thing you want to do is you want to bridge. Now, what we just did now was swapping. Now you can see now. Now let's go and bridge. So we want to bridge from Polygon Matic. From Polygon Matic to let's say Polygon ZK EVM, for us to position ourselves for Polygon ZK EVM airdrop, right? So for this one, you can just input 20, like my own case. Okay, so there's no route for this. Let's try and use optimism, you know. Let's try and use optimism. Let's bridge to optimism. So we are bridging from this to optimism Ethereum. So we are bridging from Matic to optimism Ethereum. So this is the equivalent of Ethereum I'll be receiving. Then I'll click on review route. Okay. Yeah, you click on review route. When you click on review route, then it will ask you to confirm. Then you can now see now bridge, because we are using two different blockchains. If you are using the same blockchain, then it is swap. Let's try again. I think there's error. Now there's a pop-up in our wallet and then you confirm. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel as you are getting a vital knowledge from this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's the only way you can use in paying us back, right? That's the only way you can use in appreciating the effort put into this, you know. So let me try again. Let me try again. Okay. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to actually give me a confirmation. Okay, yeah, now you can see now. So what I want to do now is you can see the confirm transactions. You click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, it will ask you, it will show you in the interface. if when the transaction is successful, right, it will show you on the interface when the transaction is successful. So now you can now see the bridging estimated time is 1 minute. So let's wait and see. The bridging will continue. So please make sure you do this on intervals. You don't have to use much dollars to do this. If you have $20 or even as small as $10, like I'm using for an example on this, you can also use it. And what matters is your consistency. Consistency matters. If you are doing an airdrop, be it anyone, you don't want to do the airdrop and just stop. You want to continuously do it over and over again. So this is just my own way of giving you the free information. And please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment the next airdrop video you want me to do for you guys. Let me know. So I'll appreciate everybody if you can subscribe. You can also refer your friends to this channel. Let them get this free information, right? So let's wait and see. We are confirming the transaction. So that's my closing remark. Thank you very, very much. So, and of course, there's a Telegram channel where I lecture and teach people on crypto and trading. You can easily get to it. And also there's a Bybit registration link where you're able to register with my partnership link and get a reward on the Bybit account, right? You can also get a airdrop of $500 when you register with my Bybit link. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Now we are waiting for this to confirm. Now the bridge is now successful. So this is just an easy way to do Bungee Airdrop. Take care of you guys, take care of yourself, and see you in the next video.